Welcome to Crafty Little Beach. This is Julie. Today I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you. The Shore Living bottles, I'm going to use that with one of the new candle holders from Dollar Tree as well. This one's already got that frosted bluish green color that I love. It's got a shell tied around it. I'm just going to add a solar light to the top of it. I thought that'd be really cute. And this one's going to be really easy. So I'm going to fill it up with some sand. I'm going to use some tan sand. You could probably get away with using white sand too, because you can't really see the color too much in there. And then just some of the little tiny seashells. These are the ones that come in the glass bottles from the Dollar Tree, which I've been having trouble finding. I know a lot of you guys have been having trouble finding that too. But I just checked on Amazon the other day, and you can buy a ton of those for next to nothing on Amazon. So if you can't find them at your Dollar Tree, check on there. You can get just a giant package of them. They're super inexpensive. And just a lot of seashells in the bottom. Again, it's already got like a plastic seashell tied around the neck of it with some raffia. And then I do a bead of hot glue all around the top and just stick the solar light on top. That's gonna light it up for a little beachy scene in top. And since it's kind of small, we're gonna boost it up and make it like a little outdoor light fixture by using one of these candle holders. This is like a glossy ivory color. I'm gonna use some E6000 and hot glue in combination to attach this. I probably should have done that the other way. I don't know what I was thinking on that, but it worked. We got that glued on. And then I also want to give a little bit more texture. It's got the raffia on there, but I thought a little burlap would be cute too. So I'm just going to cut the burlap roll from the Dollar Tree and make my own size ribbon that's going to be the same width as the top of the solar light, and just hot glue that to the back of it and wrap it around. The metal looks fine, but anytime I can add like a little bit of a rope or a burlap touch, I'm going to do it because I think it looks really pretty and coastal. So it's like a little lamp for outside. I think it turned out really cute. This is what it looks like during the day. That little plastic shell on there is pretty cute. But as you can see, it looks really pretty in the day. And let me show you how it looks all lit up at night. I had to take these solar lights outside today to try to charge them so that I could show you these projects.